Hello viewers, I'm Dr. Suma. I'm a consultant working at 49 Fertility Center, Vijayawada. So a lot of couples are suffering with infertility these days, and the most common doubt that they have is IVF the only solution for infertility? So, whenever a couple comes to us, we usually evaluate the couple. We take a detailed history, we do an examination, we do a few investigations as well. We also look into the previous investigations they've done and the previous treatments that they have taken. We consider a few factors before we come to a conclusion as to what is the best treatment option that they have. So, what are the factors that we consider when we decide a particular treatment for a couple? First and foremost is age of the couple. So, especially the female partner. So, as the woman ages, the ovarian reserve keeps decreasing, and this is irreversible. So, whenever we see a woman at a particular point of time, her ovarian reserve is all that we have to play around with. There is no medication that is available to increase the number of eggs that she has. Usually, the ovarian reserve starts declining right from 30 years of age. It declines rapidly after 35, and at the age of 40, she has almost only 2% of her eggs that she has for a lifetime. So usually when a woman comes to us and she's less than 30 years, we try to add just a few medications and help her conceive. Between 30 to 35 years, we do give options of IUI. Beyond 35 years, we give them options of both IUI and IVF. IVF actually has a better outcome, and beyond 40 years, actually IVF is the only treatment that is considered to be having the best outcome. So as the age increases, the number of eggs keeps decreasing and IVF becomes a better choice. The second factor that we consider is how long they've been married for. So if a couple is married just for 1 year and they've been trying regularly and they don't conceive, we usually ask them to consult a fertility expert. Very often we see patients who've been married for 5-10 years and have been trying naturally, and they come to us really late. But if they come to us after 1 year of unprotected intercourse, and if all the investigations are normal, we give them some more time. We ask them to try for 1 more year naturally. After 2 years of regular unprotected intercourse, if they don't get a pregnancy and all the investigations are normal, the next option would be an IUI. After 5 years of marriage, usually IVF is considered as a better option because the success rate of IUI is actually less. The third thing that we normally consider is the tubal patency. So if the tubes are open, then only we have an option of trying with medications or with an IUI. If the married life is more, if the tubes are blocked, then we have to normally go ahead for an IVF. The fourth thing that we normally consider is the sperm count and motility. So there is something called total motile sperm count that we look into. So in a given sample, if they have more than 5 million motile sperms, then we usually give them some medications to bring it up to 10 million motile sperms, and more than 10 million motile sperm is ideal for an IUI. If they have less than 5 million motile sperms, usually IVF is a better option. So it's 5 to 10 million, which is the gray zone. We usually try to improve the count with some medications and try for an IUI. But if there's no improvement, IVF should be the better option. So we consider multiple factors before actually deciding for an IVF, like the age of the female partner, the duration of marriage, whether the tubes are open or not, and the sperm count of the husband. So considering all these factors, we come to a conclusion as to which treatment is ideal for a particular couple. So if you are a couple who's looking or trying to get pregnant, you're trying since more than 1 year of regular unprotected intercourse, please do consult us. It's not necessary that every single couple is offered an IVF at the very first attempt itself. It all depends on so many multiple factors. So if actually you require an IVF, then that should be the best option. So there is no problem that actually doesn't have a solution, and there's no problem which will actually prevent you from parenthood. So do consult us to know what your best option is. Thank you.